So, today we are going to service the BMW. I've done what? Nearly 11,000 miles since it arrived in the States just over 2 months ago. And all the places in the world to do it. We are in Las Vegas. As you can see, I'm in my work gear today that I used to do stuff at home in. And that was very strange, walking through the Las Vegas hotel dressed as an electrician. We need to go to AutoZone to buy all the stuff we need to service the car. I'm kind of worried a storm's coming. That doesn't look good over there, does it? The USA are very good at car part shops, I'll be honest. You can get pretty much everything you need. Except oil filters for imported diesel BMWs. This one finally arrived. I've had to have some sent over from England. It's kind of crazy though that they're considering 75,000 miles high mileage. That seems not a lot. Don't worry everybody, it's not going on a Walmart's car park. Okay, that's the last of the oil. Hopefully that fills it. Sounds good to me. So the oil has changed. I'm now back on the road, driving through the Nevada desert again on my way to California. I had to go back into Walmart because I didn't have enough oil. And it shocked me that everything in there is locked up. Everything is behind glass screens. If anybody needs oil in Walmart, it's just up from the kiosk that sells the ammunition. It's next to the bullets. Now you'll always remember where it is. Los Angeles, here I come. Let's see what this is going to be like.